What is up, guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode of the Custom Tuono series. This is one I've been waiting for a very long time, and I'm super excited. We get to see the custom Tuono paint scheme for the first time today.
Yay!
And if you can see, Christina and I are both wearing Campisi Customs official merchandise. If you're watching this video, it is now live. And what's awesome about this apparel, every t-shirt you purchase, you get an entry towards winning the custom Tuono. So be sure to check it out. We'll show you guys more of the t-shirts once we get there. But we're gonna head down to Santa Barbara Ducati, put this bike back together, and this is gonna be a glorious episode. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. All right, so we have arrived at Ducati of Santa Barbara. This is Alex, the painter. He just showed up with all this stuff. Dude, what are we looking at here? Holy shysters.
It's a little small block Chevy.
Wow, that's nice, man. How much horsepower is this making?
About 500 to the wheels.
Dude, this is really nice. Wow. All right, so here we go, guys. The first time ever seeing the custom Tuono paint scheme. Let's take a look. What do you want to start with, teens? The front end?
The front.
Look at that. Oh my God. So again, we went with obsidian black and a Ducati, or like an Italian flag red.
Beautiful.
Look at that, guys. And then of course, we went with the gloss. The gloss finish. Have you seen them yet, Johnny? It's pretty epic, huh? Yeah, look at that. So there's the front end. He did all these lines, and it was kind of a combination of the Photoshop job and then him kind of like seeing what was gonna look best. And then there's the side intakes, which carries the line back. Everything looks so ridiculous. Look at that.
Very well done.
I absolutely love it. And here's what's so awesome about this paint scheme, guys. A lot of other motorcycles, the decals will be stickers. These, he actually took the stickers that I gave him and he created, what's that called when you get stencils? He created stencils. So this is all painted on and glossed over. So there's literally nothing, there's no stickers. Yeah, there's no stickers on the bike. That's
so
all,
nice.
It's all painted on, hand painted by Alex. He absolutely crushed it. Teens, show the tank, gas tank. Can you pick that up? Are you heavy? Are you strong enough? Look at you. So there's the gas tank. Look at this.
That is beautiful.
That is incredible. So same thing with these. These are all painted on, hand painted on, stenciled on, I should say. Campisi Customs is painted on. It's all clear coated over. It looks stunning. And then I would say the gas tank's probably my favorite. Second favorite would be the belly panel. So what we did is same thing, it's black, but it fades to carbon, and you guys can see that right there because we wanted to showcase that Illenberger carbon. Same thing with these are painted on, they're not stickers. And then the same thing on the other side. It looks just ridiculous, guys. Alex absolutely murdered it. I will put all of his information in the description below. I know him as Alex the Painter. He's here in local in Santa Barbara, California. I think I have his email or whatever his contact info that he gave me. So if you guys are interested in having anything painted, custom, amazing work, definitely hit him up, and I'll put that in the description below. Oh, and then there's the final thing that we had powder coated. Brian had this done for me. So that gold shock is no more. It is now black. We tried to do red, but it just didn't match well enough, so they ended up just going black, and I think it looks freaking perfect. So on the agenda today is putting all of this back together. Let's see how it looks. So the other big announcement is I finally have Campisi Customs official apparel. It's through a website called Bonfire, and I'll put the link on the screen and also in the description. They're really nice cotton, super soft. They say Campisi Customs on the front, and on the back they say different things. This one says I'd rather be riding, because let's face it, wouldn't we all rather be riding?
They come in different colors too.
Yeah, they all different colors, different sizes. There's women's cuts, I'll show you guys in a second. There's 4 different styles. So there's another one here that says Campisi Customs. There's 2 different fonts we use for the front, and then on the back it says more carbon, since I always get yelled at for putting too much carbon on bikes. This is one of my favorites. All right, so Christina is modeling the women's line, which is same designs. You can get these designs in any different style, but there's women's and men's. So this one says Campisi Customs. This is one of my favorites. And on the back it says bikes, beers, and babes, which is pretty much all my channel is.
Yeah, very nice.
And then she also has on the Campisi Customs in the front, and on the back it says badass, because she's a badass and I call everything in my videos badass. So the special thing about these shirts is every purchase that you make, every t-shirt is 1 entry to win
You get 2.
the custom Tuono. How freaking cool is that? The same rules apply as the Patreon page, so US only to be entered for the custom motorcycle. Worldwide, people who buy t-shirts, you'll get entered to win those cash prizes. Whew, I'm excited. We're gonna go and take like some nice photos after we put this thing back together. So teens, go ahead and get started. All right, first order of business, we're gonna start reassembling this bike. We're gonna try to get it all reassembled today. I'll probably have to wait till tomorrow to take photos since we're gonna need some sunlight and we're running out of it. But there you go. Spring is going on the shock and it looks, oh God, I love freaking black. Such a good color. So much better than that freaking yellowy gold. Olin's, please. I think I speak for everyone when I say, just make your shit black. Okay, so we also got a new windscreen, because the stock one is not tinted, but they sent it with the Aprilia and white on there. We're gonna go ahead and remove all of that. How about it, teens? Okay, okay. So the shock's on. Look at that. That looks so much better. Good Lord. Guys, you know what that shock is? Badass. I have to film this, guys, because teens is actually doing some work.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Which is more than I can say for myself. Brian's like, I'm over here building a bike, you assholes. All right, look at this. Peel that baby off.
Yeah.
There won't be a single sticker on this entire bike when I'm done with it.
That is true.
Because that's how we roll.
That is true.
That's how we jelly roll. All right, so next we are gonna do the tank. And again, when I say we, I just mean Brian. This is the one piece we're actually adding today. This is from Moto Million. Obviously, everything we put on this bike is from Moto Million. You can always use discount code Campisi to save yourself some money from anything you order. He's just figuring out how it goes on there right now, but it's gonna look so, so good. This makes me so happy. The Campisi Customs, look at it. I love it. Now you can get it on shirts too. I'm gonna put them on freaking hot dogs, Beanie Babies. Oh yeah, teens.
We don't need to repeat it.
We'll just leave it at that. We'll leave it at that. Teens broke his heart. Hey, that's what you get for calling her old lady.
That's an endearing term.
She's coming back.
That's an endearing term.
Hers was endearing too.
Yeah, not at all.
All right, fuel pump going in. Pump it like it's hot. Pump it like it's hot. Hey, we know how that is, don't we, teens? Oh, Brian got it before me. Rory's heading home on his MV. He's such a snob about these MVs. He's like, you take your Ducatis, I'll take my MV. They are beautiful bikes. They're really works of art. Look at that thing. This is bone stock, guys. This is the equivalent to their Multistrada. The Turismo Veloce 800. So guys, remember when she said she didn't want Brian's help? She's like, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna handle this.
Okay, I didn't want Brian's help. I didn't say
Oh, she came over here to Johnny. Johnny to the rescue. Now Johnny's peeling the rest of this off. Oh man, Johnny got a new haircut too. Look at him, he's a damn stud. It matches your dog, Johnny. Alfie! Hi, bud! Hi, bud! Oh my gosh! Look at him, the shop dog. He's the official shop dog now. First custom painted piece going on, maybe.
What?
Maybe. Teens don't, because sometimes you have to pull it back off and do stuff, you know.
Christina's not working on it.
Oh, yeah, she had to give
You
all
won't
her
let
work.
me touch the bike.
She outsourced her work.
Yeah,
pretty damn quick, huh?
Yep.
What do we think, teens? How's it look?
Oh, that looks so good.
That is epic! Oh my God!
That looks so beautiful.
Gloss was the right call, Brian.
Yeah,
Hey,
no.
right call.
Don't fist pump him.
Teens, right call.
Negative. She was on the other. No.
Look at this, guys. It looks like a Lego kit that just like you don't have all the parts for. Yeah, they don't have instructions. They also don't have any. You don't have all the parts. Your dog ate half of them. Look at this.
We're qualified. No.
This is all Brian. Yeah. There's the headlights over there. Windscreen looks amazing after we got rid of the stickers. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Exhaust sitting over here. Brian said he's got 45 minutes before the Dodgers game starts. Alright, so this is how good this bike looks now, guys. When you see the paint with the carbon, and then we had to put this plastic piece on because we don't have the carbon yet. Look at how awful that looks. So we have Illenberger carbon coming, glossy carbon here, and here, and here. Alright, we got intakes on. Look at the red with the carbon, and then the, oh God, it's coming together. What are we doing next? Belly panel? Belly pan. Belly panel. All right, belly panel is half on, but look at that, guys. It is just absolutely stunning. I love it. This thing is, it's really coming together. Guys, Teens just asked me, she goes, how far do you...
Jaret found the sticker that he didn't like, so I peeled it off.
She did a good job.
And I was like, I'm gonna make a paper airplane out of it because it's a rectangle shape. And I said, hey, watch how far I can throw this. Ready?
Look, it's stuck to her finger because it's a freaking... Oh my god, unbelievable.
Wait, but really, let's see how far.
but for real? Okay, let's try it one more time.
Okay.
Rory's losing it. Wow, and then all that for that, huh? By the way, this is where it was. Sticker gone. All right, we got both boys working on the front end right now. Tested the headlights, everything works. Got that beautiful tinted windscreen on. Look at that, guys. This is really coming together. And actually, I think I'm gonna take this to the same guy that did the tint for the Corvette. His name's Hector here in town. I think we're gonna actually tint these front headlights to block them out a little bit more. Oh man, this looks so freaking good. All right, so that's the current state of the bike right now. It's pretty much put back together. You can get a really good idea how gorgeous it looks, and man, it does look gorgeous. We're running out of daylight tonight, so we're gonna come back down tomorrow, throw on the exhaust, button her up, and head on over to the beach, take some photos with the beautiful Christina K. So stay tuned. All right, so we got the bike over here at the beach and in the sunlight, and let me tell you guys, it looks absolutely incredible. I am so happy with how this turned out. And once we get the rest of the Illenberger gloss carbon for the fenders, the side panels, actually I think I'm gonna get carbon covers for these as well, because anything that's basically plastic now just looks really out of place on the bike because it just looks so premium. Look at that. What do you think, Teens?
Looks really nice. I love the tank.
It looks so good.
The way that the Tuono V4, before being white, looks incredible. The front looks beautiful.
That's probably my favorite part.
I love it. Took the stickers off, but just the way the lines are carried throughout it, it accents the front very nicely. So the front, the tank looks really good. My two favorite.
The Campisi Customs
on there. Section to be fixed.
Yeah, so the tail section is going to come off next week. Yeah, the red. The tail section is going to come off next week, and we're going to do the same thing with the lines through that, like just like on the front of it. But yeah, this thing is. This thing is freaking incredible, guys. I'm so happy. Even the little Italian flag details at the bottom there. The freaking radiator guards, oil cooler guards. We still have some really awesome upgrades coming. Yeah, it's a sick bike, especially when you're riding it.
The belly panel, the way that it fades into carbon.
Yeah, the fading into carbon on the belly panel.
It looks really cool.
It's a really special project. I'm really proud of this bike.
Really one of a kind.
Heck yeah. So don't forget, guys, about our t-shirts. Campisi Customs official merchandise is available. It's on Bonfire. I will put links in the description below. They're only available for 2 weeks. So you don't get the shirts until after the campaign ends, and then they'll ship out all the shirts. So if you order one on day 1, you won't get actually shipped until day 14. So just be aware of that. But again, every t-shirt you buy, you actually get an entry towards winning the custom Tuono. If you're in the US, if you're outside the US, then you get entered to win one of our awesome cash prizes. So freaking incredible. That's gonna do it for this episode, guys. The custom Tuono paint scheme looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy. And again, if you guys want to be entered to win this bike, you can snag some Campisi Customs merchandise, or you can go on the Patreon page. Both links will be in the description below. We've only got a few weeks of this build left, and I'm actually buying the next build series bike next week. So stay tuned. The patrons already know what it is. Yeah, the patrons already know what it is. It's gonna be one hell of a build, just like this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, click that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.